Hello again, everybody. It's Harry BOXL, the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Wednesday, August the 12th. Well, it wasn't a particularly great day on Wall Street, but boy, the day of the ETF. In my opinion, that's what we're going to highlight today because a lot of these high-tech ETFs really came roaring back and or are forming inverse head and shoulders, right-handed extended Vs, etc. Here's an example. AAOX, which some of us really like here in the room, it had a nice downtrend. In about 2 months, it dropped from 75 to under 7. This is a 90% drop. And that's going to show you with the twice long ETFs how volatile they can be. But if you're on the right side, they're fabulous. In the last 2 weeks, 694 to a high of 24. And now a flag. This tells me that it's consolidating for the next leg up. Targets are 28 3/4 at 34. ABCL, this is a biotech that's acting great in here. Gapped up 2 days ago. And the last couple of days was solid. Today was a complete engulfing reversal day. My target, 11.5 and 14. AEHR, right back to the old high. This is as strong as anything out there right now. As a matter of fact, today it set a new all-time high at 133.35, up 12.36. That's about 10%. At this point, I'm looking for a move into the 160 and 190 range. AXTX, also a big drop. As you know, from May when it was trading at 76, this ETF dropped to 3. No kidding. Big reversal has seen this stock explode to 1554 and then pull back. Quiet day yesterday. Today it perked up a little. I think the targets have to be 15 and 18. BOXL with a huge explosive day today. 65 million shares going from 3 to nearly 10 and then pulling back to 703. One to watch. If momentum carries it, you may see a retest of the 8-9 zone or more. CRWG, that's the ETF for CRWV. Inverse head and shoulder, breakaway gap through the moving averages right to the declining tops line. It did back off there, but if this should get to 32, you're probably looking at high 30s, low 40s. The other one they have is CRWV. I'm sorry, this is the parent company. We're talking CWVX. That's it. Breakaway gap as well out of the declining channel and a pullback. Looks to me like an extension could be mid to high 30s. EROC, fairly new IPO, dropped hard down from 20 to under 9 and then reversed. Today was a breakaway gap through moving averages and trend line. And right now I'm looking for 16. Fuel cell, one of our favorites. As you can see, I was talking all day about breaking out of the apex of the wedge. It may have done that. It gained 235 or 12% and finished just above this declining tops line. There's some key triple top resistance to 26, your next target. IMBT broke out. We put a swing on it. I like this to look a lot. After 6 weeks of consolidation, we should be headed to mid-40s. Then 51. LITX for light. Strong down channel and breakaway move today with volume. Look at the OBV run up. I'm thinking we make a run at high 40s. NBIG, the ETF for NBIS, one of them, inverse head and shoulder, right up to resistance. If we get through here, we're probably looking at 30 and 35. Then there's NEBX, the other one, very similar pattern. If we can get through 18 3/4, 34 3/4, probably looking at 48.50. NEOV stuck his head through resistance today. Slightly, not enough volume, but sure looks like it wants to. Still targeting 3 3/4 and 4.5. PESI, our swing we put on today, exploded, pulled back, and then rammed up 347 or 20%, trading 1.9 million, not a heavily traded stock. But Permafix broke through a massive 3-year base pattern that says at this point maybe headed to 30. QMCO, strong 2-day surge with a breakaway gap yesterday. Nice follow through today. Looking for a move to 26.5. Replimune broke out. We put a swing on it. I believe you're going to see 18 and 21. SMCI coming out of a base pattern with a breakaway gap, big volume, and a big surge in OBV. Now looking for 41, 45. SMCX also coming out of a base, breakaway. Need to get through resistance at 14 and a quarter, your next target. If it does that, 18. And finally, I believe SpaceX has bottomed. The SPCH exploded today, 834 to 1030, backed off to 986, up 158, 54 million, 19%. I think we're headed to 11 and a half, and then eventually 15. Here's a look at some very hot ETFs at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.